right, guys, we are very excited to present to you today a You Make It, We Skate It, We Made It, He Skated It, We Made It, He Made It, He Made It. That was not nearly as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. This is from Bear Walker. More than meets the eye. Transformers, more than meets your guy. Oh my gosh, that's sick! Oh, this is for the wall. This is 5 million subscribers. Braille, 2007. We gotta put this in the wall in this video. And look at this. This is painted? How did they do that? That's sick. I love it. Oh wow, this one is complete. Gullwing trucks. Where did they even find? These are sick trucks. Premium boards, Bear Walker. Just, guys, you gotta just smell that. Gabe, just smell it.
I can't really smell anything, man.
Take off the N95.
No way.
These are 65mm 88 BW1 Hyperium. Time is a circle wheels. I love it. With the premium boards, Bear Walker. What's the website on there? Bearwalker.com. So sick. How sick is that though, for real? That's a 5 million board right there.
So good.
I don't want to skate this.
You don't have to skate that one. We can skate this one.
Okay, yeah, good idea.
Can I feel it, Dan?
Feel it with gloves, dude. What are you, crazy? Okay guys, super exciting, but you, yes you, are going to get a chance to win this board right here from Bear Walker. There's only a couple things you gotta do. Make sure you're subscribed to Bear Walker. The link to his channel will be in the description below. Make sure you're subscribed to Braille Skateboarding, and then all you have to do is leave a comment on this video. Any comment at all. We will choose at random one of the comments and we will give you one of these boards right here. Yes, isn't it amazing? Isn't it beautiful? I can't wait for you to smell how it smells, because it smells like the most glorious wood shop ever.
I'm really jealous.
Yeah, so subscribe to Bear Walker, subscribe to Braille, and leave a comment below, and we're gonna choose. You guys are gonna win one of these boards. I'm super stoked to give this away. Not this one, because I'm keeping it, but we're gonna give away another one to one of you guys, because thank you so much. You guys are the absolute best. Let's skate it! Okay, let's get
You remember
down.
the controversy on the first Bear Walker video?
Oh
right?
yeah, wait, where's that board? It's here somewhere.
It's out there, somewhere.
Okay, the first video, we couldn't tell if it was a bear or what, a wolf?
A wolf.
Okay, let's see if he remembers. Is this board a bear or a wolf? He said, oh my God.
How did he make it so sharp?
It's this little thing called wood shop.
Wow.
I was like, dang, it smells so good. And then I went up there and I was like, dang, someone farted. Dude, I'm scared though. It might break. Okay, just in case I'm scared it's gonna break, we gotta ride it around a little bit. What up, Thor? My favorite move from the Andy documentary. First try!
How'd that grip feel?
It feels nice. I think that all skateboards should be gripped like this. We finally found something. That was like the most gentle body I've ever seen.
I know,
like,
but look, he's done.
It's like, body.
Dang, that was a body right there.
It feels like I don't want to break it.
We must first test out the physics, Dad.
Yes, I don't want to try something very crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, I'll get a kickflip. Wow.
Dang.
It's very satisfying.
What are you doing?
Whoa!
What are you doing?
I'm watching it.
No, this is pure art. You don't just wreck it like that.
Well, I have an artist degree too, so I'm adding to it.
Art. History.
No, not.
Art classes. I don't even know how to draw within the lines.
That's an art major right there.
Yep, straight up.
Where are you going? Bump the bar?
What do you mean, where is he going? First try!
Dang.
That was a line, no?
What you got in the mini ramp? You got a drop in?
I own the mini ramp. Literally.
You literally do, yeah.
Hey, Walker, first try! Oh, boy. Okay, that's harder than I thought. Oh. All right, who's the mini ramp champ? Oh! I like that. Get a kickflip. Oh!
I could double flip on this. Should we go off the one stair?
Sure. Oh!
Whoa! Venmo, $20. I knew it, and I don't even have Venmo. Dang it!
I got a challenge for you.
What's up?
The Doug Desautel's challenge. Can you nollie heel? Damn! Crazy. Ollie? Oh! Oh, that's two!
It's so weird that my body feels heavier every time I'm sore. I don't know if anybody else feels like that. And when I'm not sore, I feel so light.
When you're sore, does your body feel heavier?
Yeah, it is.
Oh!
Felt great.
Buddy!
That's 3 misses in a row right there.
On the 5-stair?
Yeah. What the heck? Oh! No!
I never fought a bear before.
Have you fought a wolf?
No way.
Oh! Oh!
Are you okay?
Skating so hard every day, and then I finally get sore one day.
Dan, what are you doing?
I'm building, I'm going to space.
Okay, who got that? You know what this video is missing? A little stanky leg. I seen this comment that said, I think Glow's a b-boy. If he is, we need some dancing.
Save that for the next video. You heard?
Yup. Yup.
I think it's
Perfect.
It's gonna slide down.
Whoa! Oh!
He almost went down 8 times.
Oh! Easy, Aaron.
Oh, yeah, right.
Oh! Unheard of. Victory!
We just get a good old-fashioned dirty game of skate.
Ooh.
Anything counts. You wanna go, Glow? Oh man, I'm on fire today. Wow, that was way harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Difficult.
Yeah, watch out, be careful, guys. Give that man an S.
All the boards we've been getting, the bearings and the wheels are just like A1.
Prime, right? Oh!
I never even heard that before. A1. You know what it made me think of?
A1 steak sauce?
Steak sauce.
Yeah,
You
that's
know what
what-
I think we should just start saying?
A1.
Let's start a new thing. Let's just say steak sauce. Like he lands a trick. Oh my, steak sauce. Oh, that was steak sauce.
You just made me want chicken teriyaki so bad.
Leave it in the comments below if you're down with steak sauce.
Oh, that's good. That's deep. Geez, damn! Whoa!
It's out of control. It's
I think it's you.
Totally uncontrollable.
Shout out the B.
Aaron, I feel like you got a triple flip on this.
I don't, but thanks.
Double?
I triple flipped my board, my regular board.
You got
earlier.
double?
Double?
Yeah.
Oh, you trying to make me lose a game of skate? I'm
Nah,
trying to win.
dude, you can do double. Glow almost did double.
This one right here for Aussie Dan. Oh boy, I almost did it!
I love how much run up you take on heel flips.
I love how you eat chicken teriyaki.
I do too.
Reminds me of a diving board, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't
I
know.
want to go swimming. Ooh.
I get wheel bite?
What was I trying?
We were trying
Heel flip, oh, yeah.
yeah.
Oh, dang it! I got it though, I got it, I feel it. It's coming. I know we don't cuss on the channel, but that was beep!
I can't even double flip on the normal board. Oh, that had the right rotation.
I don't even want to try. I don't even want to know how he did that. I just know he's like a weird tall guy.
$5.
$5 right here?
Yeah.
Oh, we got $5. I'm gonna land it.
I'll air shake on it.
Okay, air shake, left hand. Dang it! I needed 5 things off the dollar menu.
I'm taking out one of my kneecaps on this one.
What are you trying, hard flip?
Crumbled like a cockroach.
This is for sure not a trail ball.
Oh, that was scary.
We both just got pre-mode.
I don't know. I don't know what happened.
I gotta be sending this to Aussie Dan. Oh! I threw out my back!
Aaron Cairo's late transformation.
Did you film him falling?
I did.
Are you sure?
He missed it. Oh, wow.
Dang it, dude.
Oh, that's a...
S.
Ah, Troy scared me with the.
That happens to be Glow's trick of choice.
Oh! Oh, clutch.
You know what they call it? First try! Say hello to my little friend!
Hey, that was a very not friendly thing to do right there.
Yeah, no.
That was rude. Uzi, why would you do that to our friend?
Yeah, boy!
I don't know how.
I am very surprised that you landed that.
I thought for sure I was not landing that up until I rode away.
That's good! No! Dang it, I knew it. I knew that was so hard. That's a
Okay.
K. All right, Glows, one trick, clean sweep.
Hey, we're all tied right now.
You know what you I know what you should do.
What should I do?
Let's see the fire in his eyes. I'm a man of honor.
You can see the honor in your eyes then.
I finally learned how to hill flip, Gabe! Let's go! It only took 5 million subscribers.
Oh! You know why, Dan? Why? Because you skated my board with Aussie Dan's signature on it yesterday. Oh! Hey. Oh!
I thought he had it. Even if he would have stayed on, we were giving it. Well, I'm out of tricks.
If you really learned how to heel flip, you pull out a fakie heel flip right now.
Fakie heel, okay, let's go. You know, the other day I was like, I got fakie heel so good, I'm gonna do it in a line.
Oh!
Oh my God, the board attacked me.
Ready, Gabe Cruz?
I'm ready.
I'm ready to take this down. Downtown, Oakland, city center, right here. I love when it's down to the last two and nobody can land anything.
That trick is my weakness. How do I do this trick? Oh, almost did it. I get one more.
Oh!
I just hot pocketed so bad, but that worked.
I didn't even hear that roll away. It was like, what is he, a Prius?
It's never gonna end.
Dude. What's love got to do with it, got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? If I wasn't singing, I probably would have landed.
Oh!
Oh, redo.
Oh!
I don't know.
Oh, you got that. One more try. Oh, that's game.
That was a good game. That was an epic game. That was a super cool board and a super cool cruiser and a super cool board for tricks as well. A huge thanks to Bear Walker. Thank you so much. This board is awesome. Thank you so much for these. It's definitely gonna be hanging on the wall literally forever. And you guys have a chance to win one of these boards. So like we said, subscribe to Braille, subscribe to Bear Walker. The links will be in that description below. And then on this video right here, leave a comment. We'll randomly choose one of the comments and we're gonna give one of you guys one of these boards. Enter now. You guys got this. You're the absolute best. Thank you so much. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's your time. BrailleSkateboarding.com. We got everything you need. Let's go.